How to recover deleted messages in Telegram. So if you want to recover the deleted messages on Telegram, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you've opened your Telegram, now make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now if you want to recover the deleted messages, then what you can do is, for example, I'll be choosing a chat. And once you've chosen a chat, if you go for the delete, which is here on the upper right, and once you tap on delete, instantly within 2 or 3 seconds you will get undo option on the bottom of your screen. So just simply tap on undo and your messages will be restored. So I'll just show you. Go for the delete, tap on delete chat, tap on undo, and within 5 seconds if you tap on the undo, then the message or the chats will be restored. So that's one way to restore your chats, and the other way is to remove the Telegram application and go for your file or your file manager. Once you're here on the files, you can simply go for the internal storage, or you can go for your files and search for Telegram. So if you search for the Telegram and if you find any folders regarding the Telegram, then you need to simply go for that, and then you can restore your Telegram messages. So that's it. These were the ways to restore your Telegram deleted messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.